The oldest creature on this planet is not a plant, it's an animal. We usually like to think of plants being just hardier than we are. This is a 5,000-year-old bristlecone pine. Every cell in a plant's body is a stem cell, making it pretty easy to adapt to changing environments. And you can even cut off pieces and grow other ones elsewhere. And the oldest animal on the planet is not an immortal jellyfish. While yes, these guys could potentially live forever, they still fall ill from diseases and injury and can still expire. They just don't suffer from old age because once their cells start to become damaged, they can return to childhood again. The oldest creature on this planet, at least one that is known, is a sea sponge. This is a giant volcano sea sponge. These guys live in the Antarctic, and they've been found to be 15,000 years old. They're old enough that radiocarbon dating can figure out their age. By the way, normally radiocarbon dating is not used on living things because it doesn't work before 300 years. Incidentally, it does work for our giant, blind, toxic immortals, the Greenland shark. They're not really immortal, but we have found them to be 500 years old, and they always end up blind because parasites eat their eyes. So how do they do it? How do they manage to live for 15,000 years and watch whole civilizations rise and fall? The truth is, we're not 100% sure. Yes, these guys live in the Antarctic, they live in extraordinarily cool waters, and an early idea for why is that they have very slow metabolisms. But if you've watched some of my other videos on aging, you'd know that a recent discovery is that animals that seem immortal have very sophisticated DNA repair mechanisms. Like most things, it's probably a combination of many factors. Do you guys think that we should figure out what's going on and give it to us? Even if it were possible, I don't think I would want to live for 15,000 years. Maybe 1,000?